I'm going to show you how to create really high-end looking websites without any technical skills. You don't have to know any type of design or any type of coding. We're going to let AI do all the work here for us. You could create entire websites for local businesses and services. You could create entire websites for your personal brand with videos, bios, and email signups. You could design entire landing pages for your apps with pricing and features. You could even create portfolio websites. Let's say you're a freelance photographer, videographer. You could have a gallery page, for example. And you could create a website for a coffee shop or a restaurant too, all without doing anything technical. The platform we're going to use to create this website is called Hostinger, and I'll put a link in the description to this page here, and I'll show you the deal they have right now. So this is the plan I recommend for just about anybody. It's called a business website builder plan, and it starts just at $299 a month. And I also have a special coupon that gives you even an additional discount on top of that, and you get 3 months for free. So go ahead and choose this plan here. And this, by the way, lets you build up to 50 different websites if you wanted to. Most likely you're trying to just build 1 or 2, but down the road, if you want to try out a different business or have additional websites, you could do it with the same plan. You don't have to buy a new hosting plan to do that. So let's go ahead and choose this plan here. Now here, this is set for 48 months, which is typically what I recommend, especially if you're creating a real business here. And then right here where it says if you have a coupon code, I have a coupon code Howfinity here, the name of this channel. And if you apply this coupon code, it actually takes an additional 10% off your total here. Now, this also comes with a free domain. So the link and the URL that you're going to share with people, you want to customize that. Well, this lets you buy a domain here with whatever you want as long as it's available. We're going to look at this too towards the end of the video once we create our website. And then go through the register process and the checkout process, and I'll see you on the next page. Now, this is the Hostinger dashboard here where we're going to be able to create our website. And if you go on the left side here, this website tab will show you all your websites here listed. So some of them I've launched before, some of them I'm still working on, but anytime you could go ahead and add a website from here. So I recommend clicking this right over here. Now for this video, we're going to use something called Hostinger Website Builder. This is an AI-powered drag and drop website builder, and it's great for beginners trying to create a website for any type of business here. We're going to use this one. They do have other options like WordPress and Hostinger Horizons, which is a really interesting option. It's an AI powered website builder as well, but I covered that in different videos. For this one, we'll choose Hostinger Website Builder. And then on this page, it's really simple. All you have to do is type in your brand name. So I'm making a local service business website here for a roofing company. And then the description here could be up to 3,000 characters, but you could be as simple as this. Build a modern website for a local roofing company with a services page, contact form, and directions. That's all you need to type in. If you wanted to give them more instructions, you could type out more details over here. And then go ahead and press Create Website. Now at this point, AI is going to do bulk of the heavy lifting for you. I'll show you a couple of different things you could do, and then we'll be able to customize this even further. So in about 10 seconds, it's created this website for us, and we're going to be able to edit this, which I want to show you some edit options to help you customize this and make it more your own here. But at the very first glance, we got ourselves a home page, and it's picked an image for us, and I could scroll and see all the different sections on the home page, including a little newsletter, and even our phone number and email is added here, which we will change shortly. You have a services page here, so you can see all the different services we have. Contact page here, and I specifically asked for directions, so it's going to pull up a map here with directions. And it's mobile friendly too, so I could look at it on mobile, go to the home page, and see everything here on the home page as well. Now, if you want to see another version of it, just press Create Again, and it will give you a new version. This is looking good for me, so I'm going to press Continue here so we could edit it. Now, we also got that free domain, so we're going to connect it to our domain shortly. I'm going to skip that for now and do that at the end. Now, let me show you quickly a few different things that you may want to do, and then you'll customize this website in a matter of 10-20 minutes here to put your own information here. So it will create text for you based on your instruction that you gave it in the very beginning. So reliable roofing done right. That is not something I wrote. AI wrote that, and it actually makes for a really good headline. And then you have a sub-headline, servicing our community with expert roof repairs and installation. So the very first thing you may want to do is change the text that AI creates for you. All you have to do is double click any text, and then press edit text and then type in whatever you want. I actually like this one, so I'm just going to make a tiny change over here. And all these things, as far as formatting goes, are all fully customizable. So for example, if you wanted to choose like a gray color, for example, you could make that change very quickly. The other option it has is an AI writer. So you could ask it to rephrase things for you, to check grammar for you, to even change the tone for you, which is useful when things are a little bit longer, like a paragraph. You could use this option. So every single text box that you see has those two options, manually changing it or using the AI writer here to make adjustments to it. So for the very first pass, I recommend you go through the page and any of the text that you want to change it right now. And then once you get to the bottom of the page, I will do the same thing with the other pages. I will go to the service page and I'll click on any text I want to change and then use my own writing or the AI to improve that. A lot of times in the first draft, it will give you really usable things. In this case, the headline and subheadline, I don't want to change at all. Okay. Once that's changed, you have images or videos, and sometimes you may have your own, sometimes you may want other alternatives. Let me show you how to change that. So in this case, if I click on the background, you'll see it says edit this section. So if I choose that, that is the section which is my image background. And background can also be just plain colors here. So this is set to white, which doesn't work well on this website, but if I choose a different color, you could see it just looks like that instead of image. The image I think looks more modern and professional, so that's a good one. You could replace the image here and you have lots of different options. You could generate AI images here, or you have free images that you could choose from. So if I search for roofing here and search that, you could see I have a lot of different roofing options here, and obviously you could upload your own as well. So we'll choose this one, for example, and add that to page, and it will replace the background. Now, sometimes it may interfere with the text, like in this case, so you could increase the overlay here to make it easier to read the text when the overlay is a little bit darker. And you could always choose video too. So you could replace the video. Again, let's see if there is anything for roofing over here. Let me choose this one as an example and I could select the item. Okay. So that looks a lot more dynamic. It gives life to my website. I may want to go with this option here. The next thing is sometimes you'll see buttons here that are created, and these are also fully customizable. So you could edit the button here. You could change what the text says. You could link it to a different web page, maybe on your website or on even a different website. You could just type in a URL there. It lets you go to different sections of your page even. So all that is available over here, really easy to use. And you could change the style. So for example, if I wanted a blue one here, I can make it blue and I can make the text white. Okay, so that gives me a whole different look. And then the overlay also could be changed. So in this case, it's changing it to white when someone goes to click it, which I like in this case. Now, you could also add entire sections. Maybe the AI did not create a section that you want to create yourself. Well, just press add section here, and it lets you pick from all these templates. But you could also use AI to generate a section. Just describe a section that you want. So I could say add our reviews and use placeholder reviews for now. And I could go ahead and generate that section, and it's just going to generate it on this specific page here. And just like that, it's created two placeholders, which again, I'll put my own review here, but it put placeholder for us, and I could change the picture of the people that left that review for me. I didn't ask for a specific number, but if you asked for 4, it would have created a section with 4 reviews. And you have a section for all kinds of AI tools. So the one I just used was this one, AI section generator. They have one for creating entire pages too. So if in the beginning you didn't ask for a specific page and it didn't create a page that you wanted, you could do that now. Just choose this option. They all have a simple box where you could type in any type of a request here and it will generate that page for you. You could again do that with the AI writer as well, where you could ask it to write different things for different sections of your website. And you could also generate images using AI if you don't like something that you found from the search, or if you don't have the right image and you want to go ahead and create your own that way. So they have a lot of different AI options that's worth exploring here on the left side. And if you want to sell a product too, you could also turn on the store. So if you add a store, it adds an entirely new section to your website where you could add different products here and sell those products. And this is fully editable, fully customizable, and it will link with the top payment processors here, and you could then publish this website. And before you finish up, you may want to add your own logo. So you could actually edit the header right here as long as you select this section. And this lets you add your own logo. So if you want to use text, you can, and it will just look like this. Or if you have an image here, you could go ahead and click this option and you could drag and drop it over here or upload the file. And you could go to the setup page here and see if you've done all the different steps. It has a really nice process of showing you exactly what you have to do. So in this case, there was a step here I did not show you, update social links. If you click this, it's going to bring you down here, and it actually links to all the social platforms. So if you have any of these, you could go ahead and select the edit option and type your own. Or if you don't have them, you could go ahead and select the delete option here, and it will just leave whatever you have left over. And you want to do the same thing with the email and phone number of the website, and make sure you update the year here to be the current year for your copyright. Now, before we go live, you could go ahead and press preview. This is going to show you what other people are going to see. They're not going to see this top banner, but they'll see the rest of the website exactly this way on their computer and on their phone if you click this option. So make sure you check this in preview mode. And then when I'm happy with everything, I could go ahead and press go live. Now, as soon as I press go live, it actually does publish a website on a domain, but it's a temporary domain here. You can share it, but I recommend you get a custom one, and I'll show you that in a second. So your temporary domain right here. So if you share this with anyone and they click on it, they'll go to your website. It's live right now on the web at this domain because you have Hostinger. But most likely you want to put your own company data there. So I'm going to go back over here and press connect domain, and I'll press get domain. And then here you will type in the name of the business, or if you already have a name in mind for your website, you could type that in and then see what's available. A lot of times, in this case, .com is not going to be available, but you'll see a lot of different options, for example. So it could be peaklineroofing.site or .tech or .store, right? So you have a lot of different options, and you could just continue to test out different names here and see if they're available. Once they are available, you could simply select one of them, and then it'll take you to the next page here where you just go ahead and finish registering that domain. That comes with your account here for free for 1 year, and then this renews every year after that for your domain, which is different than your hosting plan. Now, at any time, you could go back to your Hostinger dashboard here. If you wanted to make any edits to your website, you could always press edit website over here. If you had a store added, you could always manage the store from here as well. And if you wanted to create new websites, always go to your website lists, and then you could go ahead and add new websites here. And they have other options. For example, you probably want an email with your business name. If you don't have that, you could set that up, and they help you with email marketing and all kinds of other services here worth exploring, especially if you're new to business. So hopefully that shows you how quickly you could get up and running with your website using AI and with Hostinger. Again, the links I mentioned are included in the description of this video and other resources as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.